Hi everybody, I thought I would show you my 3D printed viscometer. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to use it. First of all, we need to zero the gauge, so it's on. The base has got adjustable screws so we can get the flywheel to zero. But to make sure it goes to zero, we wind it around 360 degrees. We release it, and we want the pointer to come back to zero, whereas that's perfect. That comes back to zero. The next stage is to take what we call the bob. This is the bob. This is what goes into the sample, the glaze. So I'm just going to pop that in the unit, into the flywheel. Then we just lock that off in the flywheel. It's all nice and secure now. We take the sample of glaze. There we are, we stir it. This is a brushing glaze which has got a special formula to suspend the particles of the glaze. The glaze medium doesn't have any traditional gums in, so it's completely reformulated. So we pop this on the sample deck or stage. We lift that up. Well, first of all, I'm going to wind the dial round 360 degrees. Then I'm going to go and raise the sample up into the bob. There we go. So that's in the stage. The sample's in the bob. Then we will release and the dial will go round. It's the second time it goes round we get a reading which was there, and that gives us the reading of the viscosity. So if I put the pin in there, which is like a little boot mark,